It's another tutorial on how to trade with AI automated bots. So we did a trade with AI automated bots, and you can see my balance for today is 533. We are trying to grow it with automated bots, and obviously we'll be using RunQuilly automated bots where you get free trading bots. So you all have to fund your RunQuilly. Then we'll get the trading bots. That's how you activate them actually. And as you can see, my automated bots have been activated. So I won't take much of your time. You can go watch my pinned videos if you are new to this, or you can join my Telegram channel in bio, or you text me via WhatsApp for free classes. So let's start our automated bot, and our capital for today will be 600. Will be 600 ahead. Cinnabot is this one, Turbo Gains. It's the one we did trade with it yesterday, and we'll also be doing copy trading with it. So you can see it runs for 3 hours, and that gives you time to copy trade actually. So just come and you check. Also, the traders who are using it are 494.8k right now. Right now, you can see so many are trading, with this automated bot. So let's they have gone to 202 point something thousand. So we'll just enter our amount. You can if you are new, you can set your take profit and stop loss. But for me, as I usually say, I won't set max take profit or stop loss because it will affect those who are copy trading. So I'll start my bot very nicely, and remember you can withdraw anytime very nicely. Next time I'll do a tutorial for that. You can see we've already made 22.5 USDTs. Let's check our PNL. You can see here, let's wait for leg 2 or 3 logs to form with this automated bot. A loss, you should be prepared to make a loss or a profit with these automated bots. Let's wait for another one. You can see the pair also. Our PNL is 16.90. Another profit recovery, that is, we are at 36. And remember, our capital was only 600 USDTs. So people will tend to put even $100,000. We'll check when they join. So let's get to copy trading. Guys. And as you can see, so many traders are sharing this copy trading. You can see so many of them. But for this one, you'll have to pay. Mine is free. My copy trading is free. So let's click on share. We share the link. I'll share it on WhatsApp and on Telegram for now. Also today, I'll share it on TikTok so that those who are watching can. So guys, I do get a lot of requests. That's why I always tell you to act fast, because so many are sending requests. As you can see, 913 are viewing. I usually want to show you everything. Transparency is what matters. So let's check. People are joining 23. Let's get at least to 40 people are joining. So I'm just scrolling that way so that it can bring real-time data. 41. Yeah, people are joining, and you can see the requests have started coming. Let me approve. Should I approve this one, this one with less than 600? But since I just want you to grow, guys, let me just try. But next time I'll do the maximum amount, that is the minimum of which I'm trading with, so that you can grow. No risk, no profits. You can see like this one, 1,800, $13,000, $229,000. Trading pays. If someone can trade with 200,000, then people are trading. Let me approve. This is live data, as you can see. It's live data. It's live requests. You can see they keep coming. They are coming. Good 66. I hope you get to 1,000 by the end of this week. For those who are below 100, I just hope, and I pray for you guys. For those who are still trading with 50, that is a curse. We want to kill that curse, by the way. We want all of us to see like a $1,000 is just some small amounts. Peter, Peter, I pray for you. I pray for you. These are the requests. They keep coming. So the requests keep coming. Requests 135, 86. Let me see so far how many I've approved. 47. Let's get to at least 50. That's 48, I guess. Yeah. 49 and 50. 50. So guys, keep the requests coming. So far I've approved 51, as you can see. Let me approve this, the last ones. Then I end the video. I'll keep approving them. So make sure you follow me on WhatsApp, all social medias, and our PNL is 134. Our capital was 600. We can come check the trading board here. 2 hours 53 remaining. You still have time. 600, and now we are at 878. So PNL 278. We can check the logs, full logs. They are there, and everything. Full logs are there. Our PNL 295. You can also check the chart. It is an uptrend chart. You can see it is somehow consistent. Profits keep coming. So it's not bad to join. Start now.